So you think aging in place is just about some grab bars and ramps, right? Well, think again. We're going to talk about 7 unexpected strategies that can really change everything. Hi, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder at AskSAMIE, the place for answers for caregiving. So today we're going to dive into a topic that goes deeper than home modifications, because while ramps and grab bars are essential, they are just the beginning. I'm going to share 7 non-obvious ways to support aging in place that can promote independence, safety, and overall quality of life. So let's get started. Number 1, and it's number 1 for a reason: staying hydrated. Dehydration in older adults is really a silent risk. It can easily lead to dizziness, confusion, or even falls, because dehydration is tied to lower blood pressure, which can cause somebody to fall. Encouraging hydration by keeping water bottles or cups of water close and within reach can be the subtle reminder that someone needs in order to keep drinking fluids. Plus, it's really easy to offer flavor-enhanced waters by adding options like fruit-infused water or water enhancers to make the water taste a little bit different so we get a little bit more in. Did you know that even mild dehydration can sometimes mimic the symptoms of dementia, like confusion or having some forgetfulness? So dehydration is really important. Number 2, optimize lighting for more than just vision. Good lighting isn't just about preventing falls, which is important. It also supports mental health and reduces eye strain. So installing motion-activated lights in hallways and staircases, and then opting for daylight bulbs to maintain that natural circadian rhythm, like that's our sleep and wake cycle, which can all help with better sleep and better mood. Here's a pro tip. Task lighting in the kitchen or the hobby area can make the activities more enjoyable and safer, so we might want to do them more and stay active. Number 3, the power of social engagement. Isolation is one of the biggest challenges for older adults. So encouraging community involvement through local classes, getting active at church, virtual meetups, or regular phone calls, anything to make sure that we're getting that social engagement is really important for a great aging in place plan. Even things that seem small, like joining a book club or learning the technology needed in order to video chat with kids and grandkids, can improve someone's mental and emotional well-being, which has really long-lasting, deep-reaching impact. Feeling connected really isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for healthy aging. Number 4, keeping the mind active. Cognitive health is just as important as physical health. I don't even know why they have 2 different words. Your brain is still a part of your body, so we need to keep it healthy. Simple activities like puzzles, memory games, or learning new skills of any kind can keep the brain active and sharp. Even trying a new recipe or learning to use a smartphone app can stimulate neural pathways. Our brains are always trying to learn and grow, and that's really a benefit for us. So give it something to feed on. Think of the brain like muscle. It needs its regular exercise to stay strong, so keep it coming. Number 5, invest in proper footwear. Okay, I know this seems basic and boring, but hear me out. The wrong shoes can lead to pain, poor posture, or even falls, all of which limit our mobility and our engagement in everyday life. So instead, look for supportive, non-slip shoes with cushioned soles, and make sure it has a back to it. No flip-flops. These are just small changes that can have a really big impact on mobility and decreasing fall risk. And here's a pro tip. Consider custom orthotics for some additional support. And oftentimes, some shoes can be covered and orthotics be covered by your insurance, depending on your diagnosis. This is especially true for older adults that have arthritis or diabetes. Number 6, focusing on nutrition and meal prep. Balanced nutrition is the cornerstone to healthy aging. You're only as good as the things that you're putting into your body. So make it really easy to prepare food, whether that means adding a chair in the kitchen so we can sit and take a break, or making sure that there's a place to sit and do the meal prep so we don't wear ourselves out. Whatever it is that's needed to get rid of the barriers for creating simple and healthy meals, do it. Also consider collaborating with a dietitian, especially if it's needed in order to address some specific health needs, like low sodium diets or low carbohydrate diets. Plus, access to a dietitian may also be covered by your insurance. So check with your primary care team to see if they have some ways to help you access a dietitian easily. Number 7, incorporate movement into your everyday life. You don't need an intense workout to see the health benefits. You just need to keep moving. So fun activities like water aerobics or yoga or chair exercises can all improve balance, strength, and stability. Even daily walks around the house or checking on your garden can make a big impact in your long-term health. Maintaining strength and preventing stiffness are really the keys to make sure that we keep moving and keep our health up. And here's a pro tip here. Use a wearable tracker to monitor and motivate yourself to keep moving and keep increasing that level of movement. Aging in Place is about creating a safe environment that supports independence, dignity, and health. If you want more resources or personalized advice, visit AskSAMIE.com, where we make Aging in Place simpler and easier for everyone to access. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.